Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? You already know what time it is. I'm in this position. It is ESS day. Sounds like sex, but it's erotic, sensual, seductive dance. As you can see, I have my wait here. I got my click clack, so I got my sexy heels on, ladies. Sexy heels on, ladies. So have your sexy heels on, and we're gonna put our feet flat on the ground, and then we're gonna reach our hands here. And then we're gonna, here we go. And up, down, up, down. Like you're going up and you're gonna push it down, up, down. Like put like a arch in your back as you go down. You hold on to your heels and up, up, down. Double, down. Double up, double down, double up, double down. Throw it like a stripper. Down. Hey. Down. Is you fucking. 2 shots. Fucking. Round. 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 Come up. Round. 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 Take it down. Round. 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 Double up. And up. Back. Up. Down. You not letting your booty on the ground. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, rock, 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 rock. So when your man come on, you're gonna be in this position at the door, like you fucking bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you fucking slow wine, slow ride. You release your arms. Here. Throw it like a stripper. Down. Throw it like a stripper. Hey. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right, left, round. Look, your back. This is a real good exercise for your back. Just around, other way, and round, 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 round. Now we're gonna slide all the way down, and then we're gonna take our feet up. If you can open up your legs like really wide, look, I have 2 hip replacements. I cannot. And we're gonna come over here. Now, bust it. Bust it, back, bust it. Is you fucking. 2 shots, fucking. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. We still got the front and back going on. Throw it like a stripper, hey. Throw it like a stripper, down. Throw it like a stripper, hey. Fuck it, fuck it. Feet down and grab your heels, round, round, down. So look, ladies, y'all try that shit. You know what I'm saying? I can say thank you so much. As y'all know, my name is Rill, and I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with a service called Seductive Art. And I will be having my next Seductive Art workshop on July 9th. In New York City, ladies, come through. It's the Black Woman's Things, our stories, our perspective. We'll be doing shit like this with the ESS, Erotic Sensual Seductive dance, and also there's visual symbolization, as well as real sex talk. I'll have sex toys for sale. My brand, Real Nice by Real. I am the underdog in fashion on sale for a discounted price. What else? I'm supposed to have a special guest. Hopefully they'll come through. So yeah. So be looking out for that. I say thank you so much. And don't forget, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Peace.